Oh man, already. Woo!
So I choke you down just like a pill. Oh yeah.
What's up, guys? We're back. New Year's just passed. We're on our way to the New Year's ride. I'm meeting up with some of my buddies. We're gonna go, I think it's in City and Industry. We're gonna see how that goes. Hopefully it's not too wild. I don't really do big group rides. It gets kind of crazy. But New Year, might as well check it out. I haven't been able to do it before. I started riding this year. So hopefully it's gonna be a good time. But I guess we'll see when we get there. We're here. We got everybody. And fucking sorry, I'm fixated on it. Alright, but we're with the group. We're heading out to the ride right now. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 people, not including me. I'm 8. I'm number 8. We got one more person, I guess. And then we'll be heading over to City of Industry. One. And then yeah, we'll see how it goes. I guess I'll record on the way there, and if anything happens, you will see it. My front tires are actually like cupping, so I gotta be kind of careful. We own it. Everybody's out today. Everybody's riding. Fucking sick. We've already ran in 2 different groups, which is crazy because, like, in California, hell yeah. My bad, I keep zoning out. It's so much fun out today. There's so many people out on bikes, and it's something that never happens. Never. You maybe run into 1 or 2 people while you're riding. Never really any groups, because if you're in a group, you're the only people riding. So it's a big difference, but it's so nice. It's so different, and I'm so excited. Look at that view. Wouldn't change it for the world. We made it. I stepped in a puddle. There's no bikes! Oh yeah! We're lit. He don't care about us. Yes. Oh yeah. So many bikes. We love it. It's gonna be a good day. Plenty of bikes. So many people. Shall be very fun. Gonna be lit. Yes, sir. Look how many people are here. There's so many people here. I kind of want to take a look at all the bikes, but we'll wait on that. We'll see them all on the road anyways. Oh, that thing's sick. What is it? I don't know. Okay. Alright. I think I'm going to change my GoPro battery and then we'll be back on it. So many people here. This is my personal blinker turner offer guy. He always lets me know when my blinkers are on. I kind of forget. I get too excited. We're here. We're ready. Let's get it. So many fucking bikes are here. I can't wait. This is gonna be interesting. I've never been on a big group ride like this. I've been on one like stunt ride, about 100 people, and it's so many fucking people here that it's gonna be crazy. It's gonna be wild. Oh yeah, we're getting started. So many bikes. Oh my god. So many bikes. So many bikes. Claustrophobia. Woohoo. I want to wait even longer now. I'm just gonna have faith that these guys know how to not hit me. Thousands of bikes, easily. And it helps because like it's been raining all week, so all these people have been wanting to ride. Oh. Everybody is out today. Anybody, everybody, their mom, their dad, their kids, anybody and everybody. I'm just gonna stay my ass on the right, and hopefully I don't get hit by somebody from behind. Woo! Yeah, this shit's getting kind of wild. It's okay though, I got my own little shit going on right here. I don't gotta worry about it. Oh yeah, I think they're stopping it. There's so many people, and it's crazy because like this is stopping the freeway so we can ride. Shit's wild, baby. Plenty of people. All of the people. Hey, look, there's Zach. Oh man, already. There's the bike. Now it's a New Year's ride. Sadly, we already got one down. Not sure what happened, I wasn't up there. But all I can say is, wait to be stupid till the freeway opens and you're good. Luckily, the guy that was on the floor, he looked like he was okay. Probably was a little shooken up. If anything, maybe a broken bone, but like, he still looked like he was breathing, he was fine. The bike looked pretty fucked up. Not sure what happened. Pray for him though. Hate to see it. He's getting it. Traffic's also starting to build back up. And I kind of don't want to be in front of everybody because not a lot of people will be paying attention. But I'm here at the front somehow. Damn, he had to push his bike. Alright, I'm back. Apparently I was behind the pack. I thought I was in the very front, nobody to be seen, but I guess not. We good. Don't let that fool you. We're good. It's lit. So I think it was my front tire. I don't know. I think it came down way too hard. But then again, my front tire is like needs to be changed. It needs to be changed. Put it at that. But we're good. We know how to control the bike, right? I still got to be careful out here, man. Thankfully, there's not a lot of traffic on the freeway, and it wasn't a big deal. But next time, we'll be good. I left the group right early. It was cool. I just wanted to go see how many people were there and what it was like. I saw it. Now I'm gonna head home and probably go meet up with John. And I think we're gonna film some stuff. But yeah, I'll catch you guys later.